It's your girl Rusty coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, and tell a partners in it because we lady over here. And without further ado, got a few things going on, so let's see. Y'all know the weather gonna start changing soon. I have purchased this hat off of the DH. And y'all, it's basically just a little bucket hat. Y'all know I love my bucket hats. Give me more of a like a gardener's hat. But I just wanted something different because I love my other bucket hat and I don't wear that thing down. So yeah, this is cute. It's very dramatic. The brim is pretty like wide, but it's cute. Yeah, definitely feeling it. Because if you ever see me, this is my go-to hat. I love this bucket hat. Like, I wear this down to the ground. I love it. Let's see what else. Okay, y'all, it's like a few items. Let me get closer. I feel like I'm so far away. Let's see what this is. Stuff inside of stuff. I'm gonna be throwing stuff away as I go. Y'all know how we roll over here. Let's see. And y'all, I purchased some things for Stink, my little baby. But it's like downstairs, so I'll have to do a vlog one day downstairs or something of like the stuff that she has like already and on the way, you know, in case there's any dog parents out there. So I'm gonna show y'all some nice good stuff. This is from the Expressway. It's supposed to be their version of Chanel dupe. Thought it was cute. Just something to wear. Nothing major. Pretty cute, pretty simple. Let's see, what is this? Some glasses. Let me see. Hat from DH, wallet from the Expressway. These glasses are from the Expressway. I thought they were cute because they remind me of the Cartier, or Cartier, however you want to pronounce it, heart glasses. And I thought these were cute, especially in this like warm type of monotone / ombre effect. I was like, these are cute. They had them in like purple, I think black, clear. But I thought these were cute. It's like rose gold hardware. And it has the fridges. I don't know if y'all can see it like around the heart, because y'all know I love hearts. So those are cute. And I'm not sure if I showed y'all my last ones. But I had, oh, these is dusty and they got a fingerprint on them. I had got these from the Expressway too. These are supposed to be some YSL type oversized black on black frames. So yeah, you just gotta catch the glasses when they're on there. I want to say both glasses was like either, yeah, it was like $5 each. Not bad at all. I even noticed Temu, they even have some there go some more glasses. They even have like dupe sunglasses. You just gotta catch them. Like, I got some Prada ones off of there before. I got the Gucci inspired. These are from the Expressway. And these are, I guess, supposed to be a dupe of Burberry. sunglasses. So cute. I love glasses. Hold on, y'all. Just got my information on both sides. Hold on. What's this? Nail charms, of course. Uh-oh. Oh, this is for my poo-poo. This is my poo-poo. Hold on, y'all. I just want to open up everything first. Let's get into it. Okay. Then I got another hat. I love Gucci print. And that's from the DH. Just another bucket hat. Something roomy. Very cute. It has the, what is it, the horse bit gold hardware on it. I'm definitely loving this. Yep. These are nail charms. It's supposed to be of the clown It. It's not what I thought it was going to be, but I'm going to make it work. In the future, definitely will tell y'all about it. I think this phone case is either from my mama or my nana, because they want me to make them a blinged out phone case, so I'll do theirs too on the phone. Not on the phone, but I'll do theirs. I'll show y'all. I'll do a tutorial. And this is from my mom's bog bag. Some accessories. I gotta put that together. I'll show y'all that. This is Stink's little like a little fleece flannel, or yeah, it's like pajamas. Oh, this is so stinking cute. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Got a little hoodie with a little ball. This is cute. This is cute. Gotta wash that. Alright, a bag inside of the bag. Y'all, Stink is spoiled. I got some Hello Kitty stickers. So cute. Y'all know I love stickers, especially like putting them in my planner. I'm gonna have to do a updated version of like my planner stuff, just to show y'all how my new planner is, and you know, the set out. So definitely looking like that. Why can't I talk? Oh my goodness, y'all, it's late. I'm tired. I'm sorry, but definitely be looking forward to that. Oh my goodness, I could barely talk. This is actually an accessory for my bog bag, and I'll show y'all that in another video. Can't wait. It's like those things came by storm. Those and those Stanley cups. I don't know, like just out of nowhere. Everybody and their mama got Stanley cups and bog bags. Alright, so I purchased these for my auntie's dogs. They're basically just shoe booties, shoe socks that you can put on them, the dogs, when they're outside, so they don't have to touch the ground, whether it's cold or it's, these wouldn't be for the hot weather because it has fleecing inside, but yeah, for the cold weather. And they're so cute. You can adjust them. Y'all tell me this ain't cute. And then when you put them on, you make them tighter so they can fit. So stinking cute. And these are from the Expressway. Let's see. Another onesie. Y'all, they onesies and dog clothes on there be so like dirt cheap on the Expressway. Same thing, just a different color wave. So cute. And this is in the size large because she's a Shih Tzu. Let me see, I got the size in here. But yeah, I got a large. So, yeah. What's in here? I feel like more clothing. It is. It's something for stink. Yep. Y'all, my mom be laughing at me because she like, don't get stink, nothing else. This stuff is so cute. They even got like Juicy Couture looking track suits and stuff, and I'm like, this is just so cute. So this is like a little jacket. It says the dog face, kind of like for the North Face. And she can just put it on. It has the little fur in the inside. So cute. And then put the leash right here. Oh, that's so cute. I'm dropping stuff. Alright, so I purchased this purse insert to put in my bog bag. So when I do decide to do update it or do some type of what's in my bag or decorate my bag, this is the insert that's going to go in it because it's the extra big bog bag size. So I'm excited about that. Let me see, we got a package from Temu. So this is either my name or my mom's phone case, so I can decorate it. The little wristlet thing that's gonna be on the phone case. Then I got these books. Let me open this one. I think I had heard about these type of books on TikTok, and basically it's a journal that they have for like your parents or grandparents, aunts, uncles, I think brother, sister, and you basically just, I guess, write. Let me see. It's called Mom, I Want to Hear Your Story. It's a mother's guided journal to share her life and her love. So it says, what do you always bring with you on a trip? List the 10 top places you would like to visit and why. So like just, knowing information. What was your first job? How many jobs have you had during your life? List a few of your favorites. Who was the first person that told you you were going to be a mom? Is there a specific song you would sing to your kids when they were little? So it's like about becoming a mom, travel, or trivia. I would say travel, trivia. Do you still have your tonsils? How do you like your eggs cooked? What kind of student were you? What kind of grades did you get? So it's like stuff just to, know about your mom. And I got one for my grandma, and I'm gonna get one for my uncle and my aunts. So yeah, y'all definitely cherish and love on y'all family while they here. Ask them questions. Try to get as much information out of them. Get those good old recipes. Write them down. It's just good information to have. So, yep. And y'all, this is the last package. And I know what this is, because I've seen it when it got delivered, the notification. So, I'm excited. Not a bag inside of a bag. Uh-oh, my bad, y'all. We got the Chanel. Y'all know I got this purse in black. I had to get it in blue, because, come on now, y'all know I love denim. And this is in the dark blue denim. What is this? The Chanel Airport extra, what is it? Extra, extra large, XXL bag or whatever. Y'all, this is just so cute. It's in the silver hardware, has the C on it, y'all. Back pocket, turn lock. This is from the Gateway. Y'all, this is cute. Has a little pocket in the inside. And yeah, too cute. So yeah, y'all, this is my mini haul. I hope y'all enjoyed it, and I hope to see you guys on the next one. Bye.